Zoho Practice Tutorial for Beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to use Zoho Practice, a powerful client and task management platform. The first thing you want to do is create your account so you can tap on Access Zoho Practice, and from there you'll be able to sign up for completely free using your email address. Once you have created your account, the next thing you'll need to do is set up your business information. Now, to update your business information, you'll go over to the top right hand corner, tap on the settings cog. Then from there, you're just going to tap on profile. After selecting profile, from here you'll be able to add in your organization logo. So I could delete the current logo and I'll tap on upload your organization logo, and you can select a logo that you'd like to use. A good platform that you can use to create a business logo if you don't have one as yet is Canva. You can also add in your organization name and all of the necessary information as you can see right here. After doing that, the next thing you'll need to do is now add users. So for example, you'll be able to add your employees by going over to the left hand menu option. You can select users and roles. Then you're just going to tap on users, and you're going to tap on invite user in the top right hand corner. From here, you'll be able to fill in the employee name. So let me do that real quick. After doing that, you can add in their email address. After adding in their email address, you'll be able to select their role. And if you don't see a role that you'd like to add them to, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, select roles, and from there you can tap on new role in the top right hand corner, and you'll be able to create a role, and you can also select what features they'll get access to on this platform. So that's how you'll be able to invite team members, and also how you'll be able to customize the different features that they'll get access to. Now, after adding your first team member or adding all of your team members, it is now time to add clients. To add clients, you'll go over to the left hand menu option, and in line with clients, you're going to tap on the and all of their contact information, and you're also going to select the industry that they're in. After doing that, you'll scroll down. You can select the currency. So for example, I'll just type in USD. So let me find the currency real quick. Then you can also select the language, and you can select the time zone as you can see right here. Now, after adding all of the necessary information, all you'll need to do now, so let me do that. You'll tap on next. So let me add in a valid state. Then we'll tap on next. After you have done that, you can see right there that the client has been created. And if it is a case that you would like to connect any other Zoho platform, you can do that. And you're just going to tap on save. Now, after creating your client, what I'm going to be showing you to do next is how to add and assign tasks. To create a task, you can tap on add task right here, or you could go over to the left hand menu option and select tasks. From there, you're going to tap on add task. You can give the task a number, and you can also type in the title for the task. Then you'll be adding in the due date. So for example, it will be due for the 8th of September. You can choose the priority, and you can also choose to assign it to one of your team members. You could add in the description. If it is a case that you would like to upload any files or attachment related to this task, you can tap on upload file right there. You could also choose to set a reminder. Once you're finished creating your task, you're going to tap on save. And that's how you'll be able to create tasks as you can see right there. You can also create subtasks by tapping on add new right here. You'll be able to create a subtask for this particular task. Now, another thing that you can also do when it comes onto this platform is you can store documents. Now, to store documents, you'll go over to the left hand menu option and select documents. Then you can tap on upload file from the top right hand corner. and you'll be able to upload whether PNG files, PDF file, or JPNG file. Whichever one of these files you like to upload, you can quickly select the file. Then you can tap on open, and that's how you'll be able to store different files on this platform. Another thing that you can also do when it comes onto Zoho Practice is you can create workflows and automations. Now, to create a workflow or automation, all you need to do is go over to the top right hand corner, tap on the settings cog. After doing that, you're going to see the option automation, and you can select workflow rules. After selecting workflow rules, you can create a new workflow by tapping on create new workflow in the top right hand corner. You can give the workflow a name. You could add in the description. Then you can select the module. So for example, it will be related to tasks. So we'll select tasks. Then after you have done that, you'll be able to create your workflow. So for example, you can select the action type. So once a task is created, next we're going to tap on new criteria. After the task has been created right there, you can select the field. So for example, let's say priority. Then you'll select. So once the priority is high, then you'll tap on done. So you can see right there, once the priority is high, what you'll do next, you can select immediate action, or you can select new criteria. So we'll select immediate actions, and you can choose the action that you would like to take place. So you can select type, whether you like to send email alerts, as you can see right there. Now the next thing you're going to do is select immediate actions. So this will be what you'd like to happen. Then let's say for example we wanted an email to be sent out. We can select email alerts, then tap on select an action, tap on add new email alerts, and you can give it a name. After doing that, you're going to tap on from, and you can choose the person that you would like to add as the email address that you're sending it from. Then you're going to tap on email template, and you can add an email template. A good platform that I would recommend to create a template on is canva.com. You'll be able to create a template for completely free, and you can fill in the information right there. Then you're just going to tap on save and select. So let me just add in something random right here for the sake of time. After you have done that, you're going to add in email recipients. So you can add it in right there. Then you can also add CC and BCC, and you're just going to tap on save. Then you will tap on associate, and you can see it right there. You can also add time-based actions if you want. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap on save, and you have now created your first workflow. Now once on the dashboard, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. And for example, if we were to select client request, you can tap on new client request right here. And this is where you will be able to create a form, whether it be a questionnaire or a sign request. You can create it right here, and you'll be able to send it out to your client. You can also use Zoho Practice for time tracking by tapping on time tracking right here. You'll be able to add different logs. So for example, you can select the client. After selecting the client, you can select the user. After doing that, you can tap on the plus right here to start your time log. So you'll be able to monitor the amount of time that you spend on a particular case. So that's basically it when it comes on to Zoho Practice. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.